In today's class, we are going to learn how to remove a students from our Google Classroom. So check whether I am in proper account as a teacher. So I will click on the classroom, Google Classroom. Here is my teacher login. I will select the proper class from where I want to remove the students. Click on the detail. So see the proper class, computer, third semester, third room, etc. After checking the detail, I will click on the pupils, where I select the student that I want to check. Check that students. There are two options. Click on actions, email option, remove option. Even I can email from this. So I will click on the remove button. Are you sure you want to remove this students? Yes. Click on the removing. So removing is in process. Here you can see that student is removed from your class.